Okay, bad news. I'll see if you can pick up on this sound. I'm not sure where the sound pickup is on this thing. That's out of the crankcase. Nothing. All right, let's go back and look at the, well, tiny bit, that's normal range, but listen to this. This is out of the exhaust. Where's this thing pick up? I don't know where this thing pick. I think it's right here. Okay. So I guess I can feel the air coming out of the exhaust. I can feel it right here. Let me try to get a better example of that. Let's see if this will pick up on it. I can feel it. You have to trust me on this. Feel a cool breeze coming out of that exhaust. So, pretty sure I've got a leak out of the exhaust for some reason. That noise you're hearing is from the this junction right here. I don't think I hear anything out of the intake. No, the intake's quiet. Not anything more than normal out of that, but it's definitely coming out of, oh, you know what I can do here? Hang on a second. What do I do with my smokes? Let me try to light a match up so you can see it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Watch this. Classic glass doors. Watch this. Okay. Okay, it's really coming out of there pretty strong. Now as a test, I will disconnect the air supply to it. Let's see if that slows down. Just make sure it's not just blowing out. No more pressure. Okay. Now it's just gently flowing. Okay. Let me get the camera again. Hopefully that'll pick it up. Let's turn the pressure back on again. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's repressurize. And there you go again. Now it's really coming out again. So I have a problem here. Somehow, some way, the exhaust valve is not sealing. I don't know what it could be. I mean, the clearance is fine. It's got plenty of valve lash. I don't know what would have made a valve to suddenly just decide to start leaking. But that's what's obviously doing it. It's leaking pretty severely based on the compression test. So I'm going to pull the cylinder head out now. You know, I think I've lost my pressure. I think that's part of the problem here. Hang on. Oh yeah, duh. Here. noisier than that. Or try this again. It was really coming out before. He's really stoking it now, as you can see. Whew. There you go. There you go. That's what the pressure on. So clearly, we've got, I can't keep a piece of paper here anymore. So that's the problem. That exhaust valve is seriously compromised. So what we're going to do next, I don't really have any choice here. Not driving that boy for a little while. I'm going to have to remove the timing chain guide, the timing chain sprocket, put the tool in there to hold the chain in, disconnect the exhaust and intake manifolds, lay them back, pull the head. This head's never been off, so that'll be interesting to see what that looks like, and evaluate where to go. I have a spare head. I don't know its status, if it's warped or not. If I remember correctly, he had like he's right on the edge of spec. I might just try it anyway. I've got some new gaskets that are a little bit thicker than normal. I don't really like doing that, but I don't know. I've got the head that's on that engine. I've got that complete engine. Well, not that engine, sorry. That engine. I could pull that head off, which would be fairly easy to do, and just swap that head, and that's a really good head. So, that might be a solution. I know it doesn't leak, so we might go to this. I might try my spare N42 head, and we'll just go from there. But yeah, that's definitive. There's a severe loss of compression that would certainly account for a weakly performing cylinder, especially at idle. So, okay, well, that's it for now. I just wanted to share the results. Post up these videos in a little bit and let you guys check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.